Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AI16Z token. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this token here is on the Solana blockchain. This is a Solana Memecoin, and it just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a fairly new token. Just came out within the past week or so. If you're looking for the token, you can find it on SoulScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and CoinGecko. Right now they have 6,520 holders. They have a total supply of 1.1 billion tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. And this token is on the Solana blockchain here, a meme coin. And they have here a market cap of $28.6 million. Huge market cap. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $3 million. So very popular token. 2,446 transactions. $701,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, the token price right now is about 2.6 cents per token. Now this token pair was created on Raydium 5 days, 17 hours ago. So there's also I see an issue, at least one issue with their audit here that we're going to talk about in a second. So stay tuned for that here. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. At PMAIRCA is the Twitter. Only 4 tweets so far. And they have 11,500 Twitter followers. They have a link to their webpage right there, AI16Z.VC. And it was just announced on Twitter. It says, this is the first AI VC fund fully managed by Mark Andreessen with recommendations from members of the Decentralized Autonomous Organization. And this token just got listed yesterday, October 30th at 10:30 UTC time on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol AI16Z, and then simply just buy the token. Now, their Twitter there has a link to their webpage. Now, the webpage here, let's see if it actually even works. It says, no, let me try this one here. So they have this DAOs.fun webpage as well. So first of all, I was just checking out their audit on Dex Screener, and there's one big warning there. It says tokens are mintable, and they actually posted it twice on Dex Screener. This token's actually also down 22.7% today, so it's not doing the best today, really. And they have here, yeah, so it says tokens are mintable. And I don't see a liquidity lock besides the liquidity, $713,000 in liquidity on Raydium. It says here on Dex Screener, and usually right beside it, there's going to be a lock button that tells you how much of the liquidity is locked and or burned. And it doesn't have anything like that on there. So just totally be aware that there's mintable tokens. And Dex Screener doesn't say that there's a liquidity lock. And that doesn't mean that there is no liquidity lock. That just means that there is none that has popped up on Dex Screener. Now, it could be somewhere else. Let's check Dex Tools. They're also on CoinGecko, it says here as well. They have a Reddit, according to Dex Tools. And so far, it says here on Dex, they also have another quick audit on Dex Tools, so there could be warnings on that as well. 6,520 holders, it says here. So according to Dex Tools, it says 0% liquidity locked. So again, two different places say no liquidity lock. One of them says mintable tokens. And then there's another warning here on Dex Tools in their audit. Now they got a Dex score of 96 out of 99. And then they have a quick intel security audit that, yeah, again, it just says mintable tokens. So that's the only warning there. So just be aware of that. No liquidity lock and mintable tokens. So that you could run into issues with that. Now, if you did want to get this token off a decentralized exchange, you could get it off Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your Soulflare wallet or Phantom wallet with Soul, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Soul for this token using the contract address. So maybe Coinex Global is not available in your country, or you just want to use a DEX instead, you can get it off Raydium. So what is this project all about? Well, it says we stand at the cusp of a revolution where the synergy of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology will redefine the landscape of finance and innovation. AI16Z, the pioneering AI DAO, is spearheading this transformation, envisioning a future where AI agents serve as the catalysts for value creation and growth. In its early stages, AI16Z will operate with a high degree of autonomy, guided by the collective wisdom of its stakeholders. As we evolve and mature, our ultimate goal is to become fully on-chain with our AI entity secured within the robust confines of trusted execution environment. This will ensure an unprecedented level of transparency, security, and incorruptibility. Central to our ethos is the concept of a marketplace of trust. AI16Z will not only listen, but also learn from the insights and recommendations of its community. DAO holders will have the opportunity to advise on investment decisions, and our AI will diligently track the performance of these recommendations. Those whose insights consistently yield positive outcomes will earn the trust and confidence of our AI, while those who suggestions prove less fruitful will see their influence gradually diminish. To maintain a balance of power, the weight of each member's input will be proportional to their stake in the DAO, safeguarding against the risk of malicious actors manipulating the system. Our mission extends beyond mere wealth distribution. We aim to cultivate an ecosystem where AI-driven innovation brings forth a new wave of abundance and prosperity. AI16Z will deploy a network of specialized agents, each optimized to fulfill essential functions within the digital realm, from welcoming new members and moderating discussions to participating in online social games and beyond. These agents will not only facilitate the smooth operations of the ecosystem, but also serve as the conduits of value creation and growth. So it's all about this AI, participation, governance, DAO, etc. And, if you're doing well with your suggestions, then the AI will acknowledge that. And if you're doing bad, it'll acknowledge that as well and take that into account. So go check this out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.